Hi, it's Tawny with InterQuilten. You don't have a bias tape maker? No problem. Just watch. I'm starting with a piece of cardstock. Okay, this is not paper, it's heavier. And I'm starting with a 2-inch strip. I've taken my piece of cardstock and I've drawn a 1-inch line, and then I took my utility knife and I cut on that line. To get the first end started, fold it in half, make a little crease, and then fold the outer edges into the middle. You only need to do this for about the first inch or so. Now get your piece of cardstock out. Remember, the slit is half the width of the original strip. And you now need to take your pressed end and start it to feed through the slit in the cardstock. Just gonna poke it through there and arrange it. Now tape it down or pin it down. Also, you could pin the end of the strip down and move the cardstock. Just press as it comes out of the cardstock. You might have to rearrange it a little here and there because it will go askew sometimes, probably if you're not pulling it straight. And there we are, nice and neat, just as though you had a bias tape maker. This is Tawny from InterQuilten. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for future videos.